Kentucky girl in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello, everybody out there. How's everyone doing today? This is Sherry with KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I have a little Amazon haul for you. So I wanted to share it with you. I want to thank you guys for coming. Thank you for taking precious time out of your day to spend it with me. There isn't but a couple things in here. So I'm hoping, yeah, I got my scissors. And so I want to, I'll start with the canvas. With Amazon, the only thing I really do not like is they fold their canvases, and there's always a crease there. So, excuse me, it takes me a little bit to get that crease out. But I have this, and then I have a small box over there of smaller diamond paintings that I would like to show you. So here's the first one, and in here you get your toolkit. Let's see if I can get that off there without ripping anything. And this one comes with a squishy, a 3-placer, the pen, the wax, some baggies, and a tray. It's a little upgraded toolkit. And then the drills come on the silver tray. I'm going to try to roll this a little bit, and I got to find, there it is, my scraper. Let me give this a little roll. Maybe we can relax it enough. And this is cute. So, March event. There's two events actually that have been combined into one that we're going to do for Star and Ladybug, Miss Cat over there at Ladybug DP and More. I will link both of their channels in the description box below. There is a paint-along that is gnomes and the red covered bridge. And there are, I mean, you can do gnomes, you can do sailboats, you can do a picture of water or lighthouse, anything having to do with water, anything having to do with gnomes. If you make up a story about ducks on a pond, y'all, you know. But anyway, this little diamond painting has 26 colors, guys. 26. It's a 35 by 35. It does come from Amazon, and it is super, super cute. There's some dandelions. Let's see. Let me see where we are. Let's come down just a little. So, there it is. Super cute. He's pulling his little cart behind him with all these little dandelions, and on here there's some flowers hanging out. There's some strawberries down here at the bottom. His little heart, his little hat's decorated up. He's so cute. And let's have a look at the drill field. Very clear. So our legend is 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 8, and then 9 through 26 are uppercase letters in random order. They're not alphabetical. So it is numerical down to 8, and then it is not alphabetical from 9 to 26. So let's back out just a little. I'll show you the colors. Let's see. Will this do? I think so. Yeah, so here are all your colors. Nice, pretty greens, whites, some reds, and oranges are in there. There they are. This is really difficult to show. Let's try the other direction. Maybe we'll get more color. Maybe. Yeah, there. That's a little bit better. I'm not going to take them out of there, but you see the orange and the green and the reds and the pinks. So yeah, nice little, oops, wrong way. All right, nice little diamond painting there, and I like it. I like it a lot. Now, I will be doing the red cover bridge. When I get done with the red cover bridge, if I can, I'll start this one for the gnomes for March. But you guys plan on being there. I think we're going to do, there's going to be a kickoff live on March 1st for the events on Star's channel on her, I think it's Fun Day Sunday, because March 1st falls on a Sunday. So we'll have Ladybug, and I plan on being there myself and Star to do the kickoff. So I hope we all see you there. All right. Let's see, what do I have next? Let me see if I can get this pushed out of the way a little bit more. I've gone to a smaller table in here in the craft house, guys. I'm so excited. So excited. All right. Now this one, yeah, you see that little, you see the little giraffe there? So these are those Luo Pixel little kits. And on the outside of the box here, it says there's 16 diamond paintings in here, 16 subjects, and they're 49 colors. They are squares. The canvases are 6.3 by 6.3 inches. And I guess it says mosaic, but I'm going to say that that is the picture, is 4.72 inches by 4.72 inches. So I'm going to try to get in this box. Goodness, that's some tough plastic. But this is the Safari pack. Now listen, I think, I want to say I paid $8.99 for these. I will have the prices and the links in the description below. Now, a lot of times things will go off sale, so don't, you know, I don't know what the price is going to be once the video comes out. All right, so we have safety instructions for diamond painting, what you should not do, what you should do, allergy warnings, and the disclaimer. It says store kit in a safe place, work in a well-ventilated area, avoid contact of glue with skin and eyes, wash your hands after completing your work, and organize your workspace. Don't swallow the rhinestones. Don't inhale the rhinestones. Don't leave the kit in accessible places for children under 14 or for pets. Do not eat or drink while working with the kit. And do not misuse glue or other components. All right, your toolkit comes, there's a very large plate of blue wax in there, a blue tray, a blue pen with a blue squishy, a 3-placer, and a pair of metal tweezers, angled tweezers. Plus, it comes with baggies. I don't know how many. It didn't really say on here about the kit contents, I don't think. Wait a minute. The kit includes premium adhesive canvas set, diamond painting beads, diamond pen, glue pad, sorting trays, zip bags with stickers, tweezers, and a user's guide. So it doesn't say how many. Yeah. All right. So there is that. Then you have your numbers, your sticker numbers, 1 through 55, and there are 49 colors in this. And this is a sneak peek of what's in here. And it's also got, you don't want to lose this. This has got your legend on it. Okay, let's get into these diamond paintings. These are on cardboard, a very thick cardboard. All right, and we're just gonna flip them over one at a time. Oh, look at the elephant. And these are pretty clear, and they are squares. That's nice. Let's see. I'll let you, let's have a look at the drill field, okay? Let's do that. So here's your drill field. Very clear, very, very clear. All right. And as I show them, I think I'll make them a little bit bigger here. There's the elephant. Here's the little zebra. They may be a little bit pixelated, but really I think this is awesome. So they're in a circle here, so you only diamond paint on the areas where the letters are printed, letters and numbers. Oh, look at the lion. That's really pretty. Really pretty. I got our little monkey. This one I might give to my husband. He says he wants a monkey, so I'll give him this. He can have his monkey. Oh, look at the koala bear. Isn't that adorable? Do you all remember now, if you're older, like at my age, they used to have the little koalas that you could pinch on the side. Their little arms would open, and I would put them on my pencils at school. A little tiger. So cute. What's next? Oh, it's a llama. Oh, how cute is that? Very cute. Here is a Highland cow. What is this, a beaver? Or what are the, I don't know, beaver or groundhog, y'all. Tell me what it is. Or gerbil? I don't know. I don't know. It's a cute little feller though, ain't he? He's a cute little feller. Okay, now all these are turned upright. Here's a deer. Oh, dear. And a giraffe. How cute. Well, that was a male deer over there, a buck. This is a doe, I'm assuming. Let's see. There's a lot of static. A sloth. Little sloth. Oh, the panda bear. A cute little panda. Y'all forgive my mess over here. I don't have that cleaned off. I hope it's not distracting you. Here's a little lemur. I'm surprised I know what all these are, and I don't know if they're listed somewhere. Nope, not under the pictures. And then we have a leopard. Is there another? Yeah, this is the last one. A leopard. So there's 16 diamond paintings included in this for $8.99. So less than 50 cents a diamond painting. I think I got a good deal. What do you guys think? And then here, y'all ain't opening it. Here are all those drills. So you have multicolored and they are square. Yep. And again, here's the little legend with all the pictures. Maybe this is a gazelle right here. I don't know. But I thought they were so stinking adorable. Yeah. You guys let me know what you think. Thank you so very, very much. Here, let me pull this over so you'll have something to look at while I talk to you at the end. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate your time. I thank you so much for being here with me. You guys are amazing, and I love each and every one of you. So remember, show the love of Jesus in everything that you do. Be kind. Please, just be kind. Kindness goes a long way. A smile, a kind word. You never know what you might make, what a difference you might make in that person's life on that day. You know, we never know what someone else is going through, and I can think of several occasions where I have seen people who are just really down and just giving them a smile and a kind word. Hello, how are you today? I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. Anything, you know, anything. But just remember that. It's so very important. And again, God bless each and every one of you. And until next time, I'll see y'all. Bye now.